Hi guys, it's avocado season in Lebanon and nothing better than guacamole. This one is a spiced up version made very Lebanese and very interesting. Check it out. First, I'm gonna start with the bread. I'm gonna make some crackers made of Lebanese pita. I'm gonna open up my bread to season it and then cut it and put it in the oven. I'm gonna use some olive oil. I'm gonna add some Lebanese zaatar that's gonna stick on it because of the oil. I'm gonna slice them to make some beautifully sized crackers to hold the guacamole. So I'm gonna bake these for 5 minutes in a preheated oven with the fan on at 180 degrees. Spread them as much as you can to get as much air to dry them out. While this is baking, I'm gonna be slicing the tomato into small cubes and strain them with a little bit of salt so I get the water out of the tomato. Add a pinch of salt to that. It's gonna help the water go out. Mix it and leave it aside while preparing the rest of the ingredients. The 5 minutes are over. I'm gonna remove the bread from the oven and let them cool down outside. That smells so good. So now it's time to prepare the guacamole. I'm gonna start with 3 avocados that are ripe, soft but not black. So have to be lucky with them. Now I'm just gonna cut them into large chunks, just like that. Now we take everything, put it in a big bowl. I'm gonna add 1 shallot, very finely chopped. I'm gonna add that shallot to the avocados and proceed with the coriander. A nice handful. I'm gonna add the zest of 1 lemon, which I'm gonna put here and then chop even smaller. So the skin of the lemon gives it the flavor without giving it the acidity, which is very interesting. I'm only gonna use the flavor of the lemon with the acidity of the sumac later. I'm gonna now add to that 1 tablespoon of sumac. It sounds like a lot, but it's the main ingredient. It's the real ingredient that makes the whole difference. Like, this is what makes it very Lebanese and different from any other guacamole. And half a teaspoon of cayenne. A nice pinch of salt. I'm gonna add the tomatoes after they're strained into the mix and mix everything up. And as I mix, I'm gonna be crushing the avocados without going too harsh on them. Like I want to keep some chunks. So now this is ready, but I really prefer preparing that 2 to 3 hours ahead of time so that all the flavors infuse. Now let's try this. Seriously guys, this is even better than the ones we're serving at East Village. It's really very creamy, it's not watery, all the flavors of the tomatoes are still there, but not the water. Sumac plays the role of the lemon. It's insane. Try it at home and impress your friends.